How to change Microsoft Outlook password. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your Chrome browser on your device, and as you to do that, just tap on the search bar and search for outlook.live.com, which is the official website of the outlook.com. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you log into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. As you tap on your profile over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the option of My Microsoft Account. So tap on My Microsoft Account, and as you do that, it will land you to select you in a profile. As you do that, all you have to do is just simply scroll down. So just make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device, because if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, the process might take a while. So just scroll down, and as you scroll down, you can see the option of security. So tap on security and scroll down again, and here you can see the option of change password. So just tap on change password, and as you do that, you'll be able to sign into your email ID over here. So it will send a code to your preferred email ID, and you'll get a verification code where you just need to enter the verification code and you'll be able to change your Microsoft Outlook password. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.